Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about one green flag for SoFi stock investors in 2023. And no, it's not the ending of the student loan moratorium. That's not the green flag I'm going to talk about in this video. Instead, this video is about an acquisition that SoFi made, Wyndham Capital, that's going to help SoFi make more home loans. That's right. That's the green flag I'm going to talk about in this video is SoFi's acquisition of Wyndham Capital and how that's going to help SoFi make more home loans. SoFi's overall strategy is to be a one-stop shop, a digital provider for all your financial needs during all your major decisions in life, right? In that area, one of the weak points has been home loans. SoFi has done a really good job growing its student loan portfolio. It's done an excellent job growing its personal loan portfolio, but it's had a harder time with home loans. It's had a harder time making inroads in the mortgage market. Well, this acquisition should help SoFi make more progress in that area. Because remember, SoFi recently got its bank charter, and that's done a really good job of bringing deposits to SoFi. SoFi's customer deposit base increased by several billion dollars in the previous quarter, up to $10 billion in customer deposits. So they're doing a real job getting money. But now they've got to be able to lend that money out. Otherwise, they're going to lose money, right? Because SoFi pays a very generous savings rate on their depositors. And there's people who have savings accounts with SoFi, they pay a very generous rate. So if they're not making loans and they're just paying a generous savings rate, then that's going to be a headwind to the business, right? So this purchase of the home loan company, the mortgage company, is going to help SoFi to lend all those customer deposits that they're getting and make a nice spread in between. So the CEO saying we've worked hard over the last 3 years to find a technology and a platform that we could buy at a great price, a small dollar amount that could be integrated pretty quickly and allow us to accomplish the objectives that I mentioned in terms of vertical integration. So they've been looking for something for several years now, and they're happy that they found this, right? They're really happy they found it. In terms of the volume of the loans they were doing, as you can imagine, the environment has been very challenging for home sales and refinancing. That's true, right? Interest rates have gone up significantly over the last year, and that's created a decrease in demand for home loans and home refinancing. And so the volume was quite low relative to historical levels. But here's the key. We expect it to have a much more meaningful impact in 2023, but they also go on to say like maybe in the fourth quarter of this year, it could start to become a very positive impact for SoFi. That's a big deal. That's a really big green flag for SoFi stock in the later half of 2023 and beyond because home loans, I've been saying this when I cover SoFi stock, home loans are the safest types of loans that a bank can make, right? Home loans come with really, really strong collateral, right? The home. If the borrower fails to pay you back, you foreclose on the home and you get back the collateral. And the likelihood of losing money when providing a home loan is very, very low compared to a personal loan, right? When you compare those two. So, as a bank, you really want to get your foot inside of the mortgage market and you want to have a meaningful share of that market because that's going to provide you the safest way to earn a spread on your customer deposits, right? To take your customer deposits and then lend them out. And to do that in the safest way possible without risking that money that you're lending out. So this is a huge deal for SoFi. This is something that SoFi stock investors should continue to look out for. And sadly, it's I know when you clicked on the video, you thought, oh, green flag in 2023, it's going to be another video about student loans. returning. And no, it's not student loans. We don't know when that's going to return, right? The government just keeps delaying and extending that. So it's not that, right? It's the home loan business that SoFi is hopefully going to take a larger market share of in the later parts of 2023 or the early parts of 2024. All right, that's all I've got for this video on SoFi stock. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.